Q2 earnings for Rivian. Many of you would know Rivian from the IPO days when there was a lot of buzz, a lot of noise. Amazon has some shares there, Ford has some shares there. Rivian has been losing money, and this earnings season, the Q2 is not any better. Rivian has lost 1.7 billion. Yes, in Q2. It actually beat top and bottom, but it is not significant because it still lost money. Beating the estimate is not the main thing. Is it really making money? No. Rivian actual revenue is 364 million. The estimate is 335.7 million, while the EPS, adjusted EPS, $1.62. The analyst estimate is actually $1.61. That's not significant because it lost money. Another good thing about Rivian, the positive direction is that it's ramping up production, maintaining its production level. As you know, when it comes to the EV market, Tesla is still the number one. You have, in the US, you have the likes of Tesla, Ford, GM, and the others. But Rivian came out with a bang. So a lot of people expected that Rivian, given the hype, given the investors and the other companies who invested in it, like Amazon, Ford, you would think that Rivian, the way it was projected, it would be flying. But then that's not the case. Let's have a look at the details of its earnings. Is that it's trading at $37.25 as of today. The stock price is down around 5% and 4.9%, which is around 5% on the. This is based on the earnings not being something exciting. So let's have a look at the details of the earnings. Then we also have a look at the technical chart for price action. Let's have a look. Here is the earning details for Rivian. Rivian posts second quarter revenue above estimate, but expect a wider loss for the year. The key points are: electric vehicle maker Rivian Automotive maintained its full year guidance for deliveries Thursday. The automaker reported second quarter revenue that was higher than Wall Street expected, but it trimmed its full year financial outlook, saying that investors should now expect a wider loss and lower capital expenditure than it had previously forecast. Electric maker Rivian Automotive maintained its full year guidance for deliveries Thursday and reported second quarter revenue that was higher than what it expected, but it trimmed its full year financial outlook, saying that investors should now expect a wider loss and lower capital expenditure than it had previously forecasted. Here are the key numbers from Rivian's second quarter report compared with average Wall Street analyst expectation as compiled by Refinitiv. Revenue 364 million. What was expected is 335.5 million expected. Adjusted loss per share $1.62. What was expected by analysts is a adjusted loss of $1.63 per share. Rivian net loss for the quarter was about 1.7 billion. The company had 15.5 billion in cash and equivalent remaining as of June 30th, down from 17 billion as of March 31. The company said it's confident that cash is enough to fund its operation until it launches its upcoming smaller product platform called R2 at its new factory in Georgia 2025. Rivian Thursday had it about 98,000 net pre-order for its R1 series truck and SUV as of June 30th. It had over 90,000 pre-order as of May 11 when it reported its first quarter result. The company also confirmed it still expects to make about 25,000 vehicles in 2022, in line with the reduced guidance it first provided in March, but it said that it now expects its full year adjusted loss before income taxes, depreciated and amortization to come in at 5.4 billion rather than 4.75 billion loss on the same basis that it guided to in May. Rivian said it expects 2 billion in capital expenditure for full year, down from 2.6 billion in May guidance. The company said in its shareholder letter and the guidance revision reflect a current estimate of impact from a delayed production ramp, higher raw material costs and freight expenses, and continued supply chain challenges. Rivian said on July 6 that it delivered 4,467 vehicles during the second quarter. Correction. Now, what you need to know about the auto industry: one, it's about production and it's about deliveries. Tesla is still delivering, but Ford actually delivers more than Tesla, but Tesla price is higher. I mean, like uh, uh, 10 times that of Ford. But that's a different thing to talk about. But when it comes to this industry, production and delivery, and all of them have logistic issues. Constraint on logistics and other, but it is synonymous with the industry. Let's go and have a look at the technical chart for price action. Here is a chart for Rivian Automotive. Um, Rivian is relatively new on the market. It's an EV. It is meant to, it's in a way say that it's competing with Tesla, especially with the trucks. Amazon has a share in Rivian and many other notable companies like that. But then let's have a look at its fundamental. Um, Market capitalization 35.0 billion. I must say that Rivian has dropped significantly in market cap because of, anyway, we'll get there because of the stock price and all that. Here is stated as a 35.008 billion. Shares in float is 491.1 million, and shares outstanding is 900 million point seven outstanding shares. The EPS rating is 1. The 5 years PE range is not applicable. For now, it is not applicable because it's still relatively new in the market, even the PE. So I'm not even sure if Rivian is up to a year. Anyway, let's continue with this. The 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. The 52 weeks high is 179, while the 52 weeks low is $19. As you can see, Rivian is trading off minus 78% of its 52 weeks. Um, let's have a look at some other information that we can see here. The owners, Rivian is owned by 60% fund and 0% bank, 0% insurance. Checklist, yeah, Rivian is relatively new. I doubt it would be able to pass all these metrics, including that of Warren Buffett, which I doubt. As you can see, 1 out of 16, you know, but it's a relatively new business in the market. Peter Lynch, 3 out of 8. Let's look at the technical. Rivian is trading below, above 10 weeks average, 10 weeks moving average, and also below 40 weeks moving average. Um, this is the chart for uh, Rivian, a weekly chart, and as you can see, there is nothing more to say here than to show you how um, Rivian is trending down. Here you can see it is just downward, and even the moving average confirms it.
But then here there's a level of resistance here that has turned support because it was consolidating around here, but now it broke this level of resistance, which has not turned support. Let's say we look at it on a daily chart. On a daily chart, as you can see, Rivian has nothing but then nothing apart from it has just been dropping down, you know, and the stock price confirmed that, and it has been consolidating around here for a while. So there's no even need to draw this, but this is a daily chart for Rivian. It is trading below 15 weeks moving average, 50 weeks moving average, and also below the 200 day moving average. Be careful on Rivian. Be sure that Rivian is good for your portfolio before investing in Rivian. There's a lot of information you need to check as per Rivian.
That's exactly what you need to see on the price action. We have seen that Rivian, like most other stock in the industry, we are still in the bear market. You would see a downward trend. Then the last couple of weeks, we started seeing sign of bullishness in the market. This is overall in general market, including the EVs. However, it has lost a lot, in market cap. Not significant. You're going to have Rivian, you're going to invest in Rivian. Please do your valuation, carry out, use one of the metrics you've seen, make sure that it is good for your portfolio before you jump on it. Don't just jump on Rivian stock because you watch it on a YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for liking our videos. We continue to produce content that will support your investment journey. Please call again.